Who is Freya emotionally? She is a cuddler, loving. She loves her brother, a lot of fun. She struggles a little bit with some things because of her hip problem. Specifically, she tires out pretty easily. She doesn't sit well, and she doesn't like going on a dog walk.
Freya is a young shepherd mix that suffered from hip dysplasia. Her hips didn't form normally, so that the ball portion of the joint really was separated from the socket. And because of that condition, she wasn't able to do things that you'd expect normal young dogs to be able to do. She didn't run and play like other dogs would. She lagged behind on walks with the owner. She was in pain because of her hips.
After we had had Freya for about 5 or 6 months, I noticed the hopping, the arched back, and those are the two things that really made me think I needed to take her to the vet and have somebody take a look at her. Dr. Lertzman went through everything meticulously. I just absolutely thought he was fabulous. He let me know the good, the bad, and the ugly of having a hip surgery. He was so good at explaining everything. I thought we would have a good outcome.
And in a case like this, Mother Nature really got this wrong. This is a genetic, it's a heritable orthopedic condition, and we can actually take this opportunity to make something better than what Mother Nature did, which is to restore normal hip mechanics, normal hip function, and to allow these young dogs really to live a long, full, pain-free, really live their best lives.
How has life changed since Freya's surgery? Freya's a new dog. She's incredibly active, running, jumping, yeah, I know, doing all kinds of good things. Enjoying life. It's been fabulous.
Freya is romping around the national parks and the woods, and even plays with a deer out in Williams, Arizona. And so this has given her new life.
At Arizona Canine Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, surgical precision meets compassionate care for lasting recovery.